Hey everyone, Eli here from Deep Discounts Club. Today I'm bringing a look at this HOUSERY LED desk lamp. Inside the box they have some little gifts that they give you. This one is a little notebook with a pen included, so you can keep this on your desk and take notes for whatever work that you're working on. There are also some blue light glasses included, and there's a nice little case included for those glasses. We've got the power cable right here. Here is the light itself. So as you can see, this thing can fold up into a very small form factor. Here is the clamp, and here is the port that you would plug the cable into, so it's right near the base of the lamp. And as you can see, you have multiple axes of rotation. You can move it like this. You can move the top one like that, so you can make it like a C shape, bend it down nice and close to the desk if you like it like that, or you can also have it higher up. And then these top arms swing out like that. And I also want to mention this final axis of rotation here. You can basically move this around. You can tell it's metal, so it's very high quality construction. This will last a very long time with its durable build. Taking a look at the actual light here, there is a small strip for light right there. On the sides you get plenty of light, so this can light up a very wide area on your desk. Make sure that you have light if you're working on something off to the left, something off to the right. Lots of desk lamps to kind of concentrate the light in just one little area, and then you're left with some darkness on certain parts of your desk, so this ensures uniform light distribution. Right up here is the control panel. So you've got the ambient light sensor, and that allows the desk lamp to adjust its light based on the lighting conditions around. Power right here, you've got mode, you got brightness, and you got automatic mode, which uses that ambient light sensor. So right here we got the power button. Simply press it and then press it again to turn it off and on. You've got the mode button right here. You can hold it down to do a complete switch over from white to yellow light, or you can also just press it to cycle between the different modes. Here you got the brightness. You can do the same thing. 1, 2, 3, 4. Looks like there are 5 levels of brightness. And then here you got the automatic mode. And again, I really want to emphasize how far around this light can go, so it can really be adjusted for any accommodation. Overall, highly recommend this LED desk lamp from the HOUSERY. Thanks for watching.